This video is about the case study on SpaceX organization. SpaceX organization was founded by Elon Musk in the year 2002. More did you know, it was his first career-starting company. We know him as the Chief Executive Officer of Tesla, but we are going to know more about the SpaceX organization, the challenges they faced, a brief history on it, and the things we must learn from SpaceX organization in this video. Challenges faced by SpaceX organization. SpaceX organization faced many setbacks and challenges throughout the years in the aerospace industry. So, here are some notable challenges they took over the past years. 1. The development of rocket and testing. The development of rocket is challenging and complex task. In the early stages of the development of Falcon Heavy by the SpaceX organization was a 3-failure attempt, and in 2006, in the 4th attempt, the Falcon Heavy was successfully launched by them. 2. Reusability. The SpaceX organization faced many challenges in the development of a reusability rocket named Starship. The Starship was a reusability rocket which can be used again for other purposes and researches in the space exploration department. 3. Safety and reliability. The SpaceX organization faced many challenges to meet the expectations of the NASA customers and other customers in the form of the safety and reliability. So the company made the topmost priority to the safety and reliability of rockets in their department. 4. Regulatory hurdles. The SpaceX organization faced many regulatory hurdles in the early stages of the company due to being the privately funded company, so it was hard to obtain license, permits and certifications for the launches and space exploration. 5. Funding and financial sustainability. The development of rocket technology needs more financial sources in the form of developing rockets and for space exploration. So, the SpaceX organization was a private investment company. They faced many hardships in the development of rocketry technology in the early stages of their company. After some years, the company secured contracts with NASA, which increased their revenue gradually. A brief history on SpaceX organization. The SpaceX organization was formed in the 2002 by Elon Musk. The intention of the company was to make the cost of living in the other planets and reduce the cost of space exploration. The company first launched a small orbital device into the orbit, but with 3 unsuccessful attempts in the year 2006, in the 4th attempt, the company finally did it and launched a small orbital device into the space. And it was first called as the privately funded orbital device into the space. In the year 2008-2012, the company first launched a spacecraft called the Dragon. The Dragon became the first privately funded spacecraft to be made in the year 2012. Later in the same year, the company secured contracts with NASA. The NASA helped them with the resupply commercial missions with International Space Station. Later in the same year, the company was developing reusability technologies. The reusability technologies were decreasing the cost of launching spacecrafts. In the year 2015 to 2018, the company launched Falcon Heavy. Falcon Heavy is a powerful rocket that can carry payloads into the space. In the same year, there was development of Starship. Starship is a powerful rocket that can help to travel from Earth to Mars and beyond, which is a reusable rocket, so it can be used again for other purposes in other travels too. Since the Dragon spacecraft was the first commercial vehicle to be docked with International Space Station. International Space Station then crewed up members of NASA astronauts with the Dragon spacecraft into the space. In the same year 2020, there was development of Starlink. Starlink is a broadband service of internet coverage with the help of satellites. The satellites will provide internet service to the people in all over the world. The SpaceX organization, achievements, and approach to the aerospace industries has many lessons and insights we must learn from them. Here are some insights and lessons to be taken from the SpaceX organization. 1. Bold vision and ambition. The SpaceX organization held the intent to make humanity into multiplanetary species. So, the attempt of making rockets such as reusable rocket and other rockets with the help of the technologies with them. We must broaden our vision and mission to be a successful in a disruptive. The thinking of the SpaceX organization was phenomenal in the making of reusability rockets and other reusability technologies, where they intended to think outside box of the aerospace industry to take over the space exploration companies in there. 3. Iterative development. The SpaceX organization faced many hardships and challenges as we have seen before in the making of the reusability rocket and such things. But with a broader vision and many talented engineers in their system, they made it possible to make them. The entrepreneurial mindset. The Spaces organization, which was formed by Elon Musk, took many bold risks in the making of many rockets which are reusable and useful for the future use. In this attempt, which was the making of their ambitious goals successful, the creative mindset of those people made successful of the projects made by them. 5. Strong engineers and technical expertise. The Spaces organization found many great engineers and scientists into their projects. This made them to improve their technical excellence in their company. So, this brings out the importance of technical excellence in their own company of other people's too. 6. Customer focus. The Spaces organization secured contracts with government and commercial customers. This brings us to the importance of the requirements of customers, fulfilling the expectations of customers and the needs of customers in the space technologies. Overall, the Spaces organization made to think about the interactive development, technical expertise and strong engineering aspect, the risk-taking abilities of people, the customer focus and many other things to be taken down to be achieving their ambitious goals. So we must take down notes from Spaces organization in the improvisation of the company.